very comfortable with death.
I'm
just a weirdo.
Me too.
I'm
No,
just like
I
a
agree.
hippie weirdo who's like
If
super
I die,
chill
at least I
about
die
death.
biking, you know what
Yeah,
I mean?
exactly. I died doing what I Yeah, excited. We both had our morning shits, so super stoked.
So we're starting the Munda Biddi trail a bit early during the first, I think it's 15k up to the northern terminus. So we're starting down the bottom of the heritage trail, adding the first 15 kilometers of climbing as a free bonus.
Enjoying our merry little time, our sweet little adventure.
You're gonna say enjoying our marriage.
Oh, our merry little marriage.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really blissed out and happy.
1 hour in exactly. Look who's in the bushes.
I'm about to drop trout.
There's no better way, better place to poop than in nature, where the birds are chirping and the bugs are buzzing. It's great. So here we are, after 2 hours exactly, 19 kilometers, we are at the start. We made it to the start.
Awesome, so we just finished our 20 bonus kilometers from our house to the beginning of the Munda Biddi Trail Northern Terminus. Super stoked. It was tasty, but it was doable. Definitely way different than having a naked bike, having a massive pack, saddlebags. It's a different experience, so be prepared for that. The people who plan last minute to do things like us. It's rough, but it's fun.
So we named the echidna Friendly thanks to one of your suggestions. We thought Friendly would be a wonderful name, didn't we? Because
Yes,
we plan to be friendly and we aim to spread friendship.
Positivity and goodwill.
That's it. So right now we're waiting for Carissa to arrive, and then we can hopefully set off. So quick tip, if you're starting from Midland like we were, and you have to do the 20 k's to the start of the Munda Biddi trail, don't take all the water with you. Just take one bottle and fill up here.
And that's when I hiked Mount Kenya, and then I went home for 2 days, took the bus to Tanzania, then hiked Mount Kilimanjaro. So I did them both in the same way.
So one thing Janet taught me about Kenya is that when she was little, she was eating walls of her house.
That was just me being weird. It's not a Kenyan thing. It's a rock that's mined in like the western part of Kenya, and like they actually mine it and bring it into the city and people buy it. Like we go into the markets where they're selling fruits and veggies, and then there's rocks and people buy it. And I used to do that. I used to buy it and eat, and I used to have cravings that I'd be like in bed waiting to wake up to go and buy.
And so and your house was built from that?
No, our house was built from slightly different, harder one, but when you're desperate, I used to like but it's so
eat your
now.
house. Wow, this is cool.
We're starting.
Good.
We're starting.
Gravel bike, light. You're gonna smash
You're gonna fly
us.
up these hills.
It's hard.
All right, let's do it. Yeah.
Too fast.
First blood.
Yeah, first blood, baby. I knew it was gonna be me. I even fall off my friendly Zwift trainer.
Easy, easy, easy. We found a lake. Is it time for a swim yet? Too early?
Repeat what you said.
Are you happy, Michelle?
I'm not, yeah, of course I am. I'm not gonna let Tiny Scratch kill my vibe.
20% more energetic than you normally would be.
That's
the ticket. I should try it for like one episode to be like over the top. Hey everybody! Just start screaming in the forest like a madman. Backpack. Hey, hey.
It's spicy and grimy.
Oh, you fell. This seems like a good time to talk about the weight of my bike. My bike is 15 kilos and I'm pretty sure all the gear and water and food and everything I'm carrying, it's another 25 at least. So 40 kilos. It's fuck. My God, that was tough. But worth it. Well done, Michelle.
Time for a little break.
This was brutal for me.
Fuck.
Really brutal.
Same. Definitely no one's phoning it in, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Woo! Big climb done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So you fell twice. Twice in the last 3 Ks. One was a real close call.
of dying. Yeah, I know.
That's.
I'm just very comfortable with death.
I'm
just a weirdo.
Me too.
I'm
No,
just like
I
a
agree.
goofy weirdo who's like
If
super
I die,
chill
at least I
about
die
death.
biking, you know what
Yeah,
I mean?
exactly. I died doing what I
Oh,
love with the people I love. So, you know, it's not a big deal.
Big bite. Big bite. Do you want ibuprofen?
Yeah, I want that too. Give me all the drugs.
Yeah.
Caffeine is supposed to reduce your pain also. Flip.
What kind of bees produce milk?
Boobies. Peanut butter on a granola bar.
Yeah,
How far from Gvidon? We click on this map, on this app.
Marty didn't know.
I didn't know.
It tells us how far we are from the mission.
And it's 7 kilometers. Woo! That's actually pretty good.
We missed his candid reaction, but Marty literally just found out 3 seconds ago that the app does that. So it's pretty funny.
Does that mean?
It's pea gravel. Sometimes it's so deep and loose. The camera probably doesn't show it, but it's really difficult to stay upright. Isn't that right, Carissa?
Oh yeah, I tanked it early.
Alright, should be like a couple 100 meters down this way. So this is what the sign looks like to the hut.
5% excitement.
Oh yes, even on the first day, this is such a welcome sight. Wow, this is so cool. Isn't this like the coolest ever? What's in it, Michelle?
Oh, there's ramen and seaweed. And also, y'all, you just missed this hilarious joke that we made. I have to share it with you.
Okay.
Basically, we're talking about how we were not going to treat the water because she'll be right. And also because Carissa has drank water from like a moss or drank water from like a mossy rock.
I licked it off the rock.
Not today.
Not
No,
today.
but like in the past and was like totally fine. So we're like, yeah, we'll be fine. But conversely, Carissa
Gluten
is
and lactose.
intolerant.
Yeah.
Yeah. So moss water fine. Gluten and lactose poison.
Yeah.
My delivery was better when I said the joke earlier.
Yeah.
But you know, you can get the secondhand funny.
It's better than none.
Yeah, exactly. Secondhand funny is better than no funny, right?
Exactly. So what's here? Because
If I talk, something good comes out, right?
Get the food into you, man.
like Michelle's also quite delirious.
Yeah, she fell 4 times, but she's still
I
going
did.
strong.
Yeah, but I'm a badass. Seaweed noodles
Ramen.
and mee goreng.
And what's the protein?
Flavor. Protein powder because I was really lazy when I was packing and I could not give
Is what the chocolate protein powder?
I have an idea. Yes, we're just gonna eat it separately. And like whenever I curse, I'll be like, "Oh, I ate this friendly trail, and all of it's pea gravel."
Oh my god.
Isn't that good?
The pea gravel.
Pea
Yeah.
gravel's bad, man. Watch
I
out.
think that was just the beginning.
I ate it so much. Yeah, there's only gonna be more of it.
Yeah.
There's breweries along the way, Carissa, by the way. And you can't drink. But maybe
so
ciders.
many times someone asked me like, "Do you want cake?" And I'm like, "I do. Is it gluten free?" I'm that person.
So would gluten make you poop? Like shit yourself?
I don't know. They said like if I keep eating gluten, I'm more susceptible to autoimmune diseases.
Okay.
So.
So worth it. I'm gonna show you around this awesome, fantastic hut. These are the bunks where you put your sleeping bags, and I think this one sleeps 24 by design. But we put our tent here just so that we don't get little critters crawling in our mouths or other orifices.
Like laying their eggs on our nose.
Yeah, this is a lounge room or something. Water tanks. 2 water tanks and the bike racks over there. And when you stop and listen, it's just beautiful. And toilets are over yonder.
Yeah, I'm gonna like be a little
there.
sad when we get visitors because we won't be able to like man spread over both of these tables. We'll have to like
Yeah.
shit.
I don't think anyone's coming there.
But no.
You never know. All right, this is the end of day 1. It was tiring. It was also very amazing and exciting. And we're very glad that we made it to this hut and that we are comfy, and we're hoping to get a good night's sleep and be rejuvenated for what we think is going to be a rainy day tomorrow. So if you haven't already, subscribe and follow us on our future adventures. Good night.